Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to print from Canva. So you've completed your design or document in Canva and you're ready to print it out. First, go to the top right corner and click on Share. From the options, select Download. Since there isn't a direct print option in the File Type section, select PDF Print. If you have a membership, select the CMYK color profile before clicking on Download. Click Download it. Wait for the file to download, which should be quick. Once the file is downloaded, open it in your preferred PDF viewer or directly in your browser like Chrome. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Print button. Adjust your print settings as needed. Then click on Print. That concludes our tutorial on printing from Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.